Once your offer to buy a house is accepted, you should schedule a home inspection right away. When purchasing a home, you can request different types of inspections. However, a home inspection is one of the most common contract contingencies for home buyers and is strongly recommended. Usually, the inspection needs to occur in the first 1 to 2 weeks, but it can be longer or shorter depending on what was negotiated in your offer. During this time, you can research the home and have an inspector take a closer look at the property to ensure there are no significant problems. The cost of a home inspection will usually be between $450 to $700 depending on the size of the house and the extras you want to add. This expense comes out of your pocket as the buyer, but when making such a significant investment like buying a home, it's a small cost to pay for the peace of mind that an inspection provides and the negotiation ability. So it's essential to have a home inspection before purchasing and closing on the property because it can uncover many issues that may not be apparent to just your eyes, such as hidden structural problems, electrical wiring issues, and more. This knowledge can protect you from an unexpected future expense and help you make informed decisions about the property you're considering buying. But with so many inspectors out there, how do you choose one? Well, start by doing your research online, check out reviews, ask your realtor for recommendations from previous clients for the perfect home inspector. Keep in mind that as the buyer, this is your responsibility to pick the inspector and schedule the appointment. Your agent will have recommendations from inspectors they've worked with, but it will ultimately be your call and your right. When the inspector comes out to the property, they'll take a few hours to thoroughly check out everything from the interior to the exterior to the roof and the attic, and even the plumbing, pool, and spa if you have one. Don't worry if the report seems overwhelming. It's totally normal for it to be several pages long, and all homes have items, even brand new ones. Once your inspection is done, the buyer and the buyer's agent will meet back at the home to go over the findings with the inspector. This typically takes about 30 to 45 minutes, and if anything deal-breaking comes up, you can typically cancel the contract during that due diligence period to get your earnest money back. But if you do decide to move forward, keep in mind that you may want to schedule additional inspections. If the inspector finds issues with things like the foundation, roof, AC, or maybe you need a sewer scope or other items. And if you want to ask the seller to complete any repairs before closing, you'll need to fill out the Inspection Objection form. And we have a whole video on that and how to ask your sellers for repairs over on our YouTube channel, so definitely check that out as well. If you're looking for a realtor in the Denver area, our team would love to help. Like and subscribe to keep up with all things in the housing market in Colorado. And if you want to learn more and receive a personalized consultation, just reach out to us at the links below and get a free buyer's and seller's guide. This is Nick Rizzi, placing happy people into happy homes, your Denver Realtor.